I used to think I had no control over my anger, that it just erupted. But I was wrong. It wasn't that I had no control. It's that I waited too long to use it. I kept stuffing things down. I'm good. Smoothing over what hurt. Pretending I was fine. Until the pressure got too high. At that point, yeah, it feels out of control. But really, I ignored the warnings. I'm learning to catch it at the simmer. To say something before it spills over. My anger wasn't the problem, but avoiding it was.